As a startup, speed is really what we need. You need to get products out. It's not like we can delay a month or 2 months or 3 months. When you're venture capital backed, you only have a certain lifeline. You need to get things out of the door. I don't think without the SolidWorks that we would have gotten there.
Right now, we're running one simulation package between us, so a lot of our simulation is done with one person, but all of our ideas are funneled through that. We were having an issue towards the beginning where you think that you've designed something strong enough, but it turns out in actual use, people are hitting that thing way harder than you've expected and way harder than they're supposed to. You just need to find a way to make it stronger. I can throw 3 designs at the wall, Paul can run a quick simulation, and we can see like, all right, that's the wrong direction. This seems to have helped. Let's add a little bit more material here. Let's bridge this gap. It helps to direct your resources. So instead of making 10 different ideas and seeing which one works, I've only made 3, and it's a little bit of time that I've saved.
Being connected really allows us to kind of all just pop in and see what's going on, what the changes are. It allows us to work really efficiently. If we didn't have the platform, it definitely would slow us down in what we're trying to accomplish.
With me being down in Texas and the majority of our engineering team being up in New York, it doesn't matter how far I am. He can see the work that's being done in real time. I found that using 3DEXPERIENCE, I've been able to come up with different design ideas on my own. Let's say we're working on a specific part. I can come up with 10 different ideas, create 10 different revs really fast, give Paul a list of those, and he can just go through systematically and know that each one is saved in the configuration that I wanted. I can make notes of like what those small changes are for him to keep track of in like a revision comment. It adds up. Those seconds add up to minutes, and then we're saving time throughout the day.
When it clicked for me that this is a viable business and it's a viable product is once we started getting endorsements that we didn't pay people for them, we didn't say like, we'll give you a free thing. I think that was the biggest aha moment for me, that this business and this company really has legs. What excites us as a growing business for the 3DEXPERIENCE platform is just where we've been shown that it will and can go. The scalability of the platform as a whole moving into the future, it was a big draw for us. And I know from experience just using SolidWorks that it's going to be good for us moving forward, but seeing what's going on with 3DEXPERIENCE platform and how that's growing also gives me added insurance that we made the right decision and they're going to grow with us in the future.